number 79. All right, number 59. Who we got here? Jane Germain in the number 3 car. We've got Scott Germain, 326. Don't see it, but we'll come across him. The number 15 is back in here. Look at that paint job. Number 15, driven by Bandy Montville. We've got the 119. Don't see it on here. And the 518, we've got Kyle Martineau. Look at the paint job on that pretty one. In the number 13. Here we go, yeah. Ted Trombley from Casiona Theodore in the number 10 car. We've got Phil Giroux back in the number 10. The number 22 car driven by, can't do it on here. He is Jordan Morrison. We have Barry Bonnie. Team Bonnie in the number 9 car. Let's see. Not on here. Okay, the number 23. Dan Sr. Dan Petty's back in town, the 29C, driven by Dan Jr. So we got the 2 Pettys back in here. Boy, I know over the years, these names are getting to be more familiar all the time. Great families on number 666, driven by John Montville. All right, of course, the Montville thing been around here in Demolition Derby a long time. 2, 1, go!
side?
Oh yeah, dude. There's any ears in this one, we alright. Somebody stole it.
Bill Giroux over there in the Batman.
Never find it again either.
No, back to this thing.
You look on the hood, you'll see the Batman. Another countdown. 3, 2, 1. Yo! Go get 'em!
Yeah, he was fucking sideways. I got the whole race.
Woo! Only got a rim on that left front side, but that's a ball. Look at him. Senior still in the action. We're looking for the 29C. The 326 Ryan Spellman in the number 9 car. Bonnie. No mercy.
Trying to blow it up.
22, you're all done. 22. All right. 22. All right, we've got.
Getting yelled at? Yeah, it's always got to stop.
Okay, we still got number 54, Shane Germain. Trying to finish off with 54, Barry Bonnie. And here comes Eric Bonnie to keep him off of it. Keep him off of Barry. Eric Bonnie taking on Shane Germain. Shane Germain. Putting it on the wall. And that little car Germain coming off a wall after that hit. Barry trying to get out of there. And Shane just keeps coming after him.
That was a good
Eric trying to keep him away from him. Now Shane's got both the bodies going there. Shane Germain. Number 22, you're done. All right, we've got a Germain and two bodies going out here. I think we got three bodies, I think. Misty's trying to get her going over there. Misty Bonnie still got a motor to turn over. She's trying to. We got three Bonnie cars still trying to make action out here. Eric, Misty, Barry. Now it's Barry and Shane Germain going toe-to-toe out here. There's the 518 trying to get involved again. 518, you're done. 518, you're done. Out too long. Out too long. Off for a fight. Misty Bonnie trying to get her. Both Bonnies want to get over there trying to help Barry. Shane's got him in the corner. Both Bonnie, Eric and Misty trying to get there, but they can't get over there to help out Eric. Shane trying to keep him there, and he got out of there. Look at that. He got out of there. Shane's going to have to go after him. He couldn't get her started. Misty cuts him off. Misty cuts off Shane. I'll tell you, this is a battle out here. Three Bonnies and a Germain going at it. Shane got through to get over to Barry. Shane got through to put the hit on it. And now, here comes Eric, going to put Shane on the wall. Let's see how Shane pulls out of this one. Look at him peel himself off of that wall. Now that little car keeps going. Eric's going to give a clear shot. Whoa. Stop, red flag, whoa. Eric, stop the car, stop the car. Oh.